An arrowhead logo appears. National Park Service. Rivers, Trails, and Conservation Assistance. Text appears over a canopy of leaves. Green infrastructure. Silhouettes carry umbrellas as they trek down a wet street. Neon lights illuminate the rainy night. During the day, vehicles travel between city buildings.
Green infrastructure can help minimize the effects of climate change, like flooding and extreme heat.
Water rises on a coastal shore, and a fire consumes a pile of wood. A park ranger leads an outdoor discussion group. Then an aerial view drifts over a neighborhood.
The National Park Service can help build your community's climate resilience.
Traffic passes as people chat on a sidewalk inlaid with small gardens. A young man wearing glasses and a turtleneck faces the camera.
These rain gardens capture polluted water from the street and the sidewalks. The plants and soil help filter the water and help return it to the water table naturally.
In the urban rain gardens, animated arrows appear over large rocks. The arrows point down, indicating the water flow to the drainage system.
Rain gardens like this can capture up to 10,000 gallons of water during a rainstorm. The trees provide cooling shade for pedestrians and also block out noise from traffic.
Rain pours from a downspout as lightning flashes. Another young man faces the camera between trees planted in a brick sidewalk.
Permeable pavement is a porous urban surface which works by collecting storm water and surface runoff in a basin below.
A side-by-side comparison shows permeable and impermeable pavements. The permeable pavement features deep, orderly lines between the bricks. A grate separates it from the impermeable pavement, which uses irregular cobblestones joined by mortar.
The basin works to slowly release the water in such a way that a natural filtration process occurs.
Animated white raindrops fall over the permeable pavement design.
This surface helps to prevent flooding, reduce high concentrations of pollutants released into the water, and helps to cool down the runoff, which reduces stress and impact on the local waterways.
Raindrops with frowning faces glide into a sewer drain. A labeled arrow points to them: pollutants. In a stream, water cascades around black rocks.
During the winter, less road salt treatments are needed, and snow melts quicker.
A light snow falls, then an aerial view shows a verdant cityscape. In autumn, a car drives down a neighborhood street. A young man in glasses addresses the camera.
This community used both permeable pavement and rain gardens to reduce flooding from the nearby river.
Cars travel an overpass above the river, where the water runs low. A face painted on the bridge's support columns peers out at the riverbanks.
While redesigning the street, they added traffic calming measures and bike lanes.
Portions of a road light up to indicate the new bike lanes. Pedestrians travel sidewalks beside a rainy street, where fallen leaves gather in the grass. A woman wearing a patterned scarf faces the camera.
Green rooftops use low-maintenance plants to provide positive environmental impacts, in addition to looking great.
Dewdrops collect on blades of grass. On top of a building, red, green, and orange plants grow across the rooftop.
Green roofs actually cool the building, reducing the need for AC use, and can actually reduce the average temperature of the surrounding area too.
In a time-lapse, cars speed through a city. Mountains gently slope in the distance, and the sky glows with soft light. As a breeze stirs leaves in a wooded area, the view pulls back from a neighborhood full of trees, green grass, and waterways.
Learn how to integrate green infrastructure into your community.
Turquoise water rushes through a valley, bikers and joggers travel along a trail, treetops glide past, and hands explore a paper map.
Contact the National Park Service Rivers, Trails, and Conservation Assistance Program today.
An arrowhead logo appears with text: National Park Service, Rivers, Trails, and Conservation Assistance, NPS.gov/RTCA. Music by Podington Bear, Chad Crouch.